We're on. How's my face look? Is the lighting good? Let me know down in the comments. Wanye Films, what's up YouTube? It's been a while. It's been about 3 weeks I haven't uploaded. And I don't want to sit here and make excuses, but I'll just let you know what's been going on. For the past 3 weeks, I've just been editing photos, doing videos. I haven't been shooting videos. I do got a video shoot coming up, but that's for another vlog. Right now, I'm just here to let you guys know that I am back. It has been a 3-week gap, but I will make up for it. This vlog right here is vlog number 20, so I figured I'd do something a little bit different. I come to talk to you guys. Yeah, so anybody looking for camera work, as always, I always tell you to get in touch with me, so do so. Leave a comment. If you have my number, give me a call, shoot me a text, shoot me an email. Get on Instagram, get on Facebook, anywhere you can find me. You know where to go. But besides all that, I just wanted to just check in with you guys, let you guys know what's been going on, like I tend to do. So this vlog right here, I mainly touched on B-roll. I got out, I shot a ton of B-roll today. It was like 100 degrees out. I got it done. I'm not gonna lie, my camera was overheating, so I had to keep stopping, but I managed to get what I could. Oh, before I continue the rest of this vlog, big news this week. I just wanted to share with you guys. I mean, I've been shooting with them since January, off and on, doing weddings with them. But this week, I finally got my 4th Henry merch. So now I feel like it's really official. Yes, 4th Henry. If you don't know what it is, get online. 4thhenry.com. Go check us out. If you're looking for a photographer or a videographer for your wedding, or you know anybody that's looking for one, go ahead, visit www.4thhenry.com. Yes, we will come. We'll take care of all of that for you. All right, that's more like it. 4th Henry, you see the logo. Go check us out. I'm gonna go ahead and continue with the rest of the vlog. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Peace. What's going on, guys? Wanye Films. I decided to stop over here. You see, I was up over there on the highway, and from the highway I could see this right here. And I said, oh, I gotta stop and get a view of this. I always like to stop and get a view of abandoned buildings. I don't know, I just like them. All right, so here's the scoop. I haven't posted anything in about 3 weeks, only because I've been very busy. You know, weddings, and just, I do admit I have been slacking on the vlogs lately, but I will be back. As a matter of fact, I'll probably drop this one tonight. Who knows if I get it done in time. But yeah, as I said earlier, I stopped here because I like the view from the highway. I said, you know what, I gotta get off the exit, check it out. And I'm glad I did, because I got some dope shots over here. And yeah, that's what's going on right now. I wanted to talk about this real quick. I picked up the Gobe, I believe that's how you say it, Gobe or Gobe ND filter. This is what it looks like right here. I'm not gonna do a full-length review right now, but just show it off real quick. It comes in like this little cardboard box. I like how it looks. And then it comes also in like this little plastic container. Go ahead and take it out for you so you can check it out. What I'm gonna end up doing is throwing it on the lens and giving you guys a little test footage. So here it is right here.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
So we're over here at NASCAR right now, having a little fun. It can't always be work. You know, we gotta add play into that also. We brought the little one over here. We were gonna get on these right here on the go-karts, but we decided to take the little one back there to the trampoline, so we're gonna get some shots of her in the trampoline. You ready to go on the trampoline?
Yeah, I'm ready to go on the trampoline soon, and I got this cool thing on, and the mini watch, and it's light up.
All right, tell him you're about to go jump.
We're gonna go jump.
Peace out.
Peace out, Girl Scout.
Alright guys, that's it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Go ahead, subscribe if you're new here. And we'll see you in the next video. Alright? Peace out.